Just going to check now on our Wednesday forecast. Not great weather for golf today, Michelle, for sure. A lot of heavy rain is moving into the area. What's the latest?
Yeah, you're probably going to want to plan on some indoor activities today, Patrick, as we continue to track downpours across our area. Yellows and oranges now becoming more numerous across Rhode Island, and boy, Connecticut right now really getting hit with some heavy rainfall. We're keeping an eye on this because our computer models are moving this batch of heavy rain that's over Connecticut right now into our area as we head later into the morning over the next few hours. So tracking off to the north and east, and occasionally out ahead of that you do get some of that heavy rain. So we're seeing that especially right now north and west of Providence, along parts of 295 and 95 through West Warwick, raining at a heavy clip. And we're seeing some downpours right now from Charlestown to Narragansett, Galilee, getting some heavy rainfall there. And it's not only just heavy rain, but also some gusty winds at times. Could see a few gusts over 30 to 35 miles per hour. So storm center, low pressures developing now across the mid-Atlantic coastline and will track over our area, enhancing the rainfall for us. Our temperatures are in the mid and upper 60s in Smithfield and Providence. Fall River running at about 70 degrees. Newport's at 70. New Bedford also at 70 degrees. So a variety of weather alerts to talk about this morning, including that flash flood watch that's in effect for our area until 8 o'clock this evening. 1 to 3 inches of rainfall expected. Thunderstorms, something we'll have to keep an eye on. There is the potential for at least a couple of isolated strong or severe storms. The biggest concern would be their potential to cause damaging winds and additional flooding. Coastal flood advisory for later this morning for the high tide, which is around 10:30 this morning. Looking at minor splash over flooding possible along the coast. Low pressure sitting off to our south and west will move over our area. That's going to give us that rainy, unsettled day today. Not a lot of thunderstorm activity right now, but that could change as the day goes on. Just something we'll be watching. Definitely a yellow caution light for the drive into work this morning with rain and isolated thunder. Upper 60s and lower 70s. Ponding on the roadway expected at times. It may force you to find another way to get into work, or certainly to slow down. Here's 9 o'clock this morning. So raining at a good clip, and that rain will continue to pass through. I think steadiest and most widespread from this morning into early this afternoon. And then we'll continue to see scattered showers with some embedded thunderstorms and downpours, maybe even as late as this evening's commute, but it will be more scattered and not as widespread. We'll wind down through the evening hours. Skies clear overnight, and we're back to drier weather for Thursday. This is one computer model's take on how much rain will fall, and this is some brand new information just in early this morning, and it still continues to show those 1 to 3 inch rainfall totals across central Connecticut, Rhode Island, and much of Bristol County and Massachusetts. Notice the amounts are lighter across the Cape and Islands where we do not have that flash flood watch in effect. So your 7-day Futurecast here, 74 for a high temperature today, not changing much from where we are right now. We will stay cooler than average through the end of the week, and even it looks like the weekend. Upper 70s for tomorrow. Inland areas at the coastline will be in the mid 70s under partly sunny skies. Friday and Saturday look dry, and still looking at a cold front coming through on Sunday that could bring a few showers to our area. Under partly sunny skies, it won't be a washout. Today, though, that's another story, and you can get the latest on it. You can track the rain, live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar on our website, WPRI.com. Let's head out to the